Okay, let's talk about the single arm, single leg Romanian deadlift. This one's going to challenge your balance. You're going to take the weight in one hand, and then the foot on that same side is going to go backwards as you push your hips back. Your knee is slightly bent. Go down until you feel that stretch in your hamstrings, and then push the hips forward to come back up. So from the side, let's say the weight's in my left hand, my left foot's going to go back, my right knee's slightly bent, hips go backwards. Notice my back is flat. See, it's a balance thing. And then push the hips forward. Let's do all the reps on one side and then switch.